Hi. So today I will show you a bot that can view your YouTube videos. So basically it's a view bot, but the working procedure of this bot is a bit different. So this bot can help you to actually rank your videos in the search result. So I have already ranked one of my videos from around 300 to rank number 2. So it is coming in the first few videos. So you can also rank your videos. So to do that, there is I have two bots. The first one is it will watch the entire video. It will take some time and you will get less views, but it will watch the entire video. And there is another version that is uh, that will view your video by search, but it will sometime it will actually watch your video randomly. It's not the always the same duration. Sometime it will watch like the full video, sometime it will be some of the part of your video, like that. So both of the bot you can buy any of them, and this will cost you $40 each. Okay, and if you want to buy both of them, then it will cost you $50 in total, because both of them are quite similar. So if you want to buy them in a package, then it will be only $50, but if you want to buy a single one, it will cost you $40. So at first you need to follow the readme files to install Python and the requirements. Those are simple steps, and you will get videos on my channel too, that how to install those things. Those are very easy. And when those are done, then you need to also check that your Chrome browser is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, then you need to update your Chrome browser. Then you need to add your proxies in this proxies.txt file if you want to use proxies. But if you don't want to use proxies, then it's okay also. You can use this bot without proxies. When those are done, then you can just run the bot. So this is the full version, and this is the not full version, the not full.batch. So now I will use the bot without proxies. So I am putting here 2. Now it is asking for the partial links. The partial links is the videos ID actually. So it comes after the slash watch slash. It comes. You can check the videos link. You will understand. Then you need to press enter, and you need to enter the search query for which you want the videos to be ranked, and the videos will be found there. So this bot is about Instagram. So and this is for Instagram DM bot. So I am putting here Instagram mass DM bot and pressing enter. Then you have the filters that on which basis you want to search the video. So I will go with the this week, but you can just type anytime if your video is coming in top. So I am selecting here this week, and here is the delay. So you can just put here 5 seconds and 30 seconds. This will be better. So this is the delay between the searches. The bot is in action, as you can see. So you can see the video is on the top now, and it has clicked the video. It will also skip the ad once there is the skip option. So it has skipped the ad. It has turned off the autoplay, and now it is watching the video, and we can see that for how long it will watch the video. So it will also print that. Okay, so this is the full version. So it will watch the entire video, then it will search again, and it will watch the entire video again. Okay, so this is how the bot will work, and as it searches and clicks on your video, it will rank up your video, and it will be very helpful for your videos to go viral and get more views and audience. This is how it works. If you are interested, you can just contact me. My contact informations are given in the video description. You can contact me to my Telegram, and we can discuss there about the bot. Thanks for watching the video.